Hello, this is English Shorthand channel and the shorthand dictation speed is 100 words per minute, which is very helpful for all types of governmental competitive exam. 5 seconds. Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the commercial appellant court of the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan bench at Jaipur in DB Civil Miscellaneous Appeal number 3700 of 2017, by which the High Court has allowed the said appeal preferred by the respondent herein Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited, and has quashed and set aside the award passed by the learned arbitrator confirmed by the Commercial Appellate Court at Jaipur. The appellant, the original claimant Parsa Collieries Limited, has preferred the present appeal that in the month of March 2006 the respondent floated a tender for joint venture to undertake coal block development, mining and transportation of coal and delivery. That one Adani Enterprises Limited submitted a bid which was accepted on 12 May 2006. Respondent and AEL entered into a joint venture, namely Parsa Collieries Limited. The appellant herein, a coal mining service agreement was entered into between the said Parsa Collieries Limited and AEL. That a coal mining and delivery agreement hereinafter referred to as CMDA was executed between the appellant and the respondent for supply of coal. As per CDMA, the date of commencement of the contract was 25 July 2011. As per CMDA, between the appellant and the respondent, the coal supply was to commence at the earliest within 42 months or within 48 months from the date of allotment of coal blocks. CMDA also provided a clause for extending the date of commencement. Clause 321 of the CMDA provided for scope of work. Clause 413 and 414 provided for responsibility of the respondent to inform the appellant as regards the requirement of coal in advance. Clause 45 provided for commencement of the date. Clause 51 provided for contract of price. Clause 522 provided for calculation of basic price. Clause 543 provided for escalation in price. Clause 71 provided for force measure, and Clause 73 provided for effect of force measure. There was a delay of 21 months in obtaining the forest clearance and environmental clearance. The appellant started supply of coal to the respondent after the day. However, certain disputes arose between the parties, more particularly the escalation price, fixed cost amount lying in escrow amount, and cost of construction of railway siding. Therefore, the appellant invoked Clause 10(2) of the CMDA and sought arbitration. A retired Honorable Judge of the Rajasthan High Court was appointed as a sole arbitrator. The appellant submitted the statement of claim and thereafter filed another statement of claim before the learned arbitrator. The claim was bifurcated into 4 heads, namely 1. Price judgment, 2. Fixed cost, 3. Escrow amount, and 4. Construction of railway siding. The learned arbitrator passed an award dated 27 May 2000 15, allowing the claims under the heads of price adjustment, fixed cost and escrow amount, and rejected the claim under the head of construction of railway siding, while allowing the claim under the head of price adjustment. The learned arbitrator held that the date of commencement of the first operating years for the purpose of clauses 522 read with 543 would be 25 May 2011. The learned arbitrator further held that thus the 0 year for the purpose of price escalation has to be 2011-12. The learned arbitrator accordingly held that because the date of commencement of the agreement for the purpose of price escalation is 25 June 2011, the appellant shall be entitled to the enhanced amount as applicable in 2013-14. Accordingly, the learned arbitrator held that the appellant is entitled to the coal price at rupees 837 PMT in financial year 2013-14 and thereafter the escalated prices in the subsequent years as per the relevant clauses of the contract CMDA. That while allowing the claim with respect to fixed cost, the learned arbitrator held that the respondent could not take the required delivery of the coal from the appellant, thus causing loss to the appellant. The learned arbitrator held that therefore the appellant is entitled to compensation as claimed for rupees 78 crores, that while allowing the claim with respect to escrow amount, the learned arbitrator held that the undertaking given by the appellant was entitled to a contingency where on account of failure of completion of mine closure activity by the appellant led to the forfeiture of any amount deposited in the escrow account, the respondent would be entitled to recover the same from the monthly running bills of the appellant. The learned arbitrator observed, however, as no such occasion has arisen and of no deduction on the said count does not arise.